Welcome to this video on roles within your practice. You will learn how to create custom roles, adjust permissions, and assign them to your team members. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used solely to illustrate the features of HIP. Start by going to your practice's general settings, then select the Roles tab. There, you'll see all the basic roles that have already been set up. These roles can be assigned directly to your staff members. By clicking on a role, you can view in detail all the permissions associated with it. Each application role can include several permission levels. You cannot modify the permissions of a basic role. If you need a role tailored to your needs, you must create a custom role. To do this, click on Create Custom Role. Let's take the example of a role from Medical Assistant. You can view, edit, delete, rename, or copy this role. To add permissions, search for the relevant application roles in the drop-down list, then click the plus button. For example, if you add the View Agenda role, you'll see that this permission only allows agenda reading. On the other hand, Administer Agenda automatically grants full access to agenda actions. The same logic applies to other application roles, such as editing a patient record. You can add as many application roles as needed, depending on the tasks expected. Once your custom role is complete, you can return to the list of roles. If you want to create a similar role, you can copy the existing one and adjust it as needed. For example, we can create the Medical Secretary role. In our example, if we don't want the medical secretary to be able to edit medical records, we can simply remove that application role. Once roles are created, you can assign them to your team members. Go to the Staff Members tab and select the relevant person. In the Access Management tab under the Role section, search for the desired role and assign it by clicking the plus button. You can assign multiple roles and remove them at any time. To learn more about configuring the agenda in HIP, watch video number 8. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this video has been useful and helps you better manage access and permissions in HIP. See you soon in another video.